Okay, students, welcome back to English class. Previous we started Unit 1 Personality Development. And personal development, A reading, Attitude is altitude. Now let us see B reading. Every success story is also a story of great failures. Every success story is also a story of great failures. First of all, if you want success, double your failure rate. You might have been wondering why I said if you want to success, double your failure rate. What is the meaning of this sentence? The meaning of this sentence is if you fail also, don't worry. Try again and again. Attitude is altitude lesson. Nick also said, if you fail, try again and again and again until you succeed. So, if you want success, double a failure rate. Don't worry, no problem at all. There are ample opportunities are there. There are ample opportunities are there. There are ample chances are there. So, that is the, if you want to success, double your failure rate. Now, let us take the history. So many great personalities, do you think that they did not fail? Tell me, do you think they did not fail? Yes, they failed. They failed not one time, many times they failed. But they did not give up. They didn't give up. They did not stop their hard work. They did not stop their achievement, but they continued. They persisted their goal and they did hard work. They toiled day and night. That is the meaning of if you want success, double failure rate. That's why every success story is a story of great failures. When we face problems, when we face hardships, when we face turmoil, then only result will be there. Without hard work, we cannot do anything. Without hard work, we cannot get anything. Without hard work, we cannot get money. Without hard work, we cannot get job. Without hard work, we cannot get anything. Hard work is very, very important. If we fail, no problem. Try again and again. Try again and again. So, every success story is a story of great failures. We had to learn so much from those people. We had to take example of these people, not any cine field. Even though they are acting in the film. And those people also did hard work. But whoever did something great to the society, India, we should take example of those people. So every success story is also story of great failures. In history time, not only history time, but also middle period and pre-modern period, there are a number of people, even in the battlefield also, if they fell down, but did not give up, they continued, they went forward, they fought, and they got independence. That is our great freedom fighters. Yes, now, so many, like Abraham Lincoln, Abdul Kalam, Mother Teresa, so many are there. If you fail, don't give up. Don't worry. Now that's what nowadays suicide became very casual. Now model also. For some other people, they are covered. We can say they are covered people. They don't have the courage to face problems, to face society, to face life, to face hardships. They don't have courage, the coward people. So that's what they commit suicide. If they fail in 10th or intermediate or whatever, UG or PG or BTech or MTech, MCA or MBA, MSc, I want to commit suicide. Who takes of their parents? Who take care of their parents? Who is back of their parents? So that's why this generation, these lessons are very, very important. If I love any girl, if she didn't accept me, if she didn't accept my proposal, yes, I will commit suicide. What is this? If I fail 10th class, if I fail intermediate, I commit suicide. Some of the students simply they take decision, they do. If you die for some other people who are not accepting, if we feel very sad about people who are not accepting us, who are not thinking about us, why should we cry for those people? We should take care of people. We should cry for people who are looking our good, our future, our care. That's what there are number of reasons are there committing suicide, especially this present generation, especially 21st century. Even though there were so many opportunities are there and so many educational institutions are there, so many disciplines are there and so many jobs are there, even industrial jobs are there and agriculture jobs are there. Not only this, if you have talent also, there are number of platforms are there. But we don't see commit suicide. Yes, if you don't accept me, I will commit suicide. If you don't accept my love, yes, I commit suicide. For example, if I like any girl, she is not talking with me, maybe something happened, somebody told to that girl or that boy or anyone, she is not speaking, shall I go and commit suicide? No. Yes, we have the feeling will be there, that kind of one pain will be there, but you should not take sudden decision, go and commit suicide. It is applicable each and every student, those who are watching this online classes. Die, should not die. Do hard work. You should die for our education. You should die for hard work. Die means don't die, just do that. And don't die for other people who are not taking care of us. We should take care of parents main. That is what we should not commit suicide. That is very, very important. There are number of opportunities. That's what we have these personalities. So many personalities are there. So many people failed. Also, so many people were humiliated. So many people were bullied. So many people were teased and mocked and laughed also. But they did not give up. They didn't give up. They didn't give up. They did not commit suicide. They did not come to conclusion that I will commit suicide. But they took in a challenge. Yes, why I failed? I wanted to prove myself. I wanted to shut up their mouth. That is the quality of successful people, successful students. Very, very important. Now let us see, there is one man, one man, so he failed so many times, and he started a business at the age of 21. He started his business at the age of 21, and in the business he failed. He did not get profits. Now let us listen carefully. Listen. He failed in the age of 21. At the age of 21. Business he failed. Next, he entered in the politics. Entered into the politics in the age of 22. Legislative assembly. He participated in legislative elections, and there also he failed. Again, in the age of 24, again he started business. So here, what can we observe here? What can we observe here? Age of 21 failed. Age of 22 failed. Here business he failed, and Even legislative council also he failed, and 24, at the age of 24 also he failed. And again he started again at congregational race, 44. But what happened in the age of 26? He lost his wife, sweetheart. Yes, sweetheart he lost. So business wife he failed, problem. And even politics also he failed, and legislative also he failed, and even he lost his sweetheart also. So many failures. If you and me, if some people who are not facing that, immediately they come to commit suicide. So at the age of 26 also, even though he lost her sweetheart, means his wife, but he did not give up. 44 again he participated congregational race. Next at the age of 46, senatorial. Like that, so many times he failed, and at the age of 50 he became the president of USA, United States of America. At the age of 50 is none other than Abraham Lincoln. The man was none other than Abraham Lincoln. So you want to see how many times he failed. How many times he failed? So many times he failed. But he didn't give up, he did not stop, and he did not commit suicide, and he didn't do anything, he didn't do any harm, he did not, he didn't criticize any people, but he stood by himself. Yes, one day I will become, one day. The day is 50, and he was 50, he became the president of America. Can we call him a failure? Can we call him failure? No, not at all. He is not a failure. He is a successful man. Age bar is not enough. Is not cause. And at any age also, you can do wonders. You can achieve anything. Do you think that 12 years and 14 years and 13 years the students are not achieving anything? There are number of students, number of children, there is a 12 and 11, even 9 and 6 years also, able to write many poems, able to write many articles, able to participate in any game, able to participate in any singing competition, able to participate dance, and they are getting so many rewards and awards. Only 13 years, only 12 years, what can I achieve? Don't think like that. Don't think like that. If you want to achieve, do hard work. Do hard work. Sit in a house, do some exercises, plan out new things, able to write your own. Don't always attach the cell phone, don't always attach the TV. If any educational current affairs, watch anything also. That is very, very important. Next person, Lee De Forest. He invented the Triodos tubes. He invented Triodos tubes. When he invented that, an lawyer or attorney of the public, even public also humiliated. He was publicly humiliated. Lee De Forest. Why this one? So many people are buying so many stocks from Lee De Forest. So many people also he was humiliated. Humiliated means cheated. People means they didn't like him. So many times he was humiliated. Humiliated means he did not go and lay on the bed and did not cry. He didn't cry. He also failed and he got up. And again he started using the invention of the Triodos tubes. He also got success. He also not called failure. He is a successful person. Next one, Wright brothers. Now we have very easy way how to travel place to place, one country to another country, because of the invention of the air mission. It is called airplane. Who are the cause and who are the inventors? Wright brothers or the inventors. Without these people, you would have not been traveling from one country to another country. And in the 1903, New York editorial newspaper, December 10, December 10. They questioned him. They questioned Wright brothers. How can you make one mission which will fly on the air? Instead of encouraging, instead of saying good things and instead of having a positive attitudes, but they are discouraging Wright brothers. They are discouraging Wright brothers. They questioned, how can we say that? But they did not bother those people. They didn't bother those people. They did not even do anything those people. Just they listened, that's all. They listened this year and they left this year. And at last they proved and they made a mission is a airplane. Those people who questioned Wright brothers because for the invention of airplane, after they shut their mouth. The meaning is, whoever teasing us, whoever laughing at us, mocking at us, we should not feel sad. We should do something. We should prove ourselves. Why those people are laughing? Why those people are teasing me? Why those people are mocking at me? Why those people are humiliating me? As I want to prove. That's what Wright brothers 1903, they proved that they are intellectuals. That is, every student should notice, every student should get, every student should inculcate those values. Third one, Cornelius Sanders. Everyone is, for so many, 80% of the people fond of chicken. Chicken, nicely. Chicken 65, chicken fry, chicken, so many items are there. We can prepare so many items with the chicken. So many chicken lovers are also here. And Colonel Sanders, he also did so many, he also worked in so many fields. So many fields, not agriculture, some of the industries and some other field. And he did not get any profits. He started and he learned from his mother cooking, recipe, cooking. And he examined his mother, how his mother was cooking chicken. So what happened? He bought one chicken, that KFC company, and he started cooking and selling those KFC chicken. But he knocked more than 1,000 times doors. No, door to door delivery. We went and asking the people, please buy my chicken were prepared. But so many are not not opening the door. So many times he failed. So Colonel Sanders. We are not talking about each and every personality detailed, but it is English lesson. It is in a brief way. Just I am explaining. So in order to get inspiration, in order to understand the struggles of those people, now Colonel Sanders, at the age of 65, he started, age of 65, Abraham Lincoln, 50, age of 50, Colonel Sanders, age of 65, started KFC, which is very famous all over the world, at present, very, very famous. Do you know what happened? And he failed. Wife and children left him. Wife and children left him. So, wife and children left him. At the same time, so many times he failed, so many doors he knocked, but no one opened the door, no one bought chicken from him, and even so he felt very sad and he felt very humiliated. So many people not taking, and my own wife and children left. So what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Yet the last time he wanted to do a very great thing, the great thing of invention of KFC chicken. Colonel Sanders, success. Wright brothers, success. Wright brothers failed many times. Colonel Sanders failed many times, but he succeeded. Next, Walt Disney, famous cartoonist. Once again, newspapers, and they rejected him. What cotton is a small mouse and a small things. So what is this? They rejected him. They rejected his paintings and drawings. But one day, finally, one church minister asked him to clean the infested shed. Clean the infested shed where the rats and a small mouse will roam here and there. Even then, when he was cleaning that infested shed, then he noticed one small pretty mouse, a cute mouse, were roaming here and there with the cute steps. Then he was attracted by that movement of that mouse. Very funny way, nicely it was going like this, and it was climbing like anything, and again immediately jumping. So he was attracted by this, and there he got one inspiration that then that is the movement of Mickey Mouse. That is the starting of invention of Mickey Mouse, and later became very famous cartoonist. Rejections will come. Who rejected him? People, not all. Newspapers, journalists rejected Walt Disney. Rejections did not do anything to him. Failures did not do anything to him. Walt Disney did not listen to rejections of those people. He did not bother with rejections of those people. But he just believed his hard work. Believe in hard work, then success is yours. Believe in hard work, success is yours. Walt Disney. Next person, Thomas Edison. Teacher sent Thomas when he was in school, sent him to home, and teacher wrote one notice and kept in his pocket and sent him home. In the pocket, we don't want I don't want this stupid boy in my class. Then mother read that notice, and she is my Tommy is not stupid. Who is Tommy? Thomas Edison is not stupid. Teacher wrote, your Tommy is so stupid to learn. And when mother read that notice, my Tommy, my son, he is not stupid to learn. He was kept in darkness. He was kept in one room and darkness, and he started to do practicals. And for so many times he failed. Nearly 10,000 times he failed. At last he invented electrical bulb. He is not so creative, he is not intelligent. He was not first class student. He didn't get grade. He didn't get what we say nowadays fashion. What is that? Rank. I got good rank. I got first rank. He is not a rank. He is not a good rank holder. Average student with creative brain. Average student, creative brain. Who? Thomas Edison. Average student, creative brain. So rank, yes, it will come and go. Don't read or don't expect rank. Then what is your rank in creative way? That is very, very important. So 10,000 times he failed, and at last he invented the electrical bulb. Like that, so many people developed that electricity, and nowadays we are having all kind of lights, all kind of electricity. Failure, dropout, failure student. Next, Henry Ford, a famous car company. Henry Ford, he did what he did, he forgot to keep the reverse gear in car. What a funny incident. He forgot to keep reverse gear in car. Again, afterwards, he also failed so many times, and he prepared one more car, and that with gear, and he also got many profits. He also failed. Henry Ford company car. There are a number of people are there. They are very, very great personalities. What did you find? What did you invent? What did I invent? What are you doing? What I am doing? Those people these are 90s. Now we are 21st century. 21st century, how much fast, how much intelligent we should have. That is very, very important. So these people, these all, Abraham Lincoln, Lee De Forest, Wright brothers, Colonel Sanders, Walt Disney, and Thomas Edison, Henry Ford. Do they call failures? Not at all. They are not failures. They are not. They are successful people. That is very, very important. Successful people. So they failed many times. They failed many times, but they didn't give up. That is called, main thing is a hard work, commitment, dedication, strong will, determination, courage. Those qualities only made them to become successful people. Not money itself alone, not recommendation itself alone, not any popularity itself alone. Their talents, their talent of speaking, talent of inventing, talent of again inventing the new inventions. Colonel Sanders, these people are very, very great people. So in this BA reading, every success story is also a story of great failures. These are all successful stories, great failures. These are all failed, but they are not called failures. Why? Because they are not called their failures. Because even though they failed, in spite of their failure also, they succeeded. They got success. That is the quality of successful people. Coward people will commit suicide for each and everything. Suicide is not final decision. Before we commit suicide, think about those people who are taking care of you, who are looking after you. I will go and commit suicide. Nicely, I will jump. If you don't accept me, I will jump from there, from building to here, or I will go and sleep on the track, or I will take poison. These people, escapism. In order to escape from the situations, in order to escape from the troubles and the problems. So these are the things which will give us inspiration. Here, my dear students, not only these people, there are many number of people are there. You know, everyone might have known Ratan Tata. And I was reading his biography in YouTube. Once you also watch Ratan Tata's life history, how many times he failed and how many times he lost his companies. How many troubles, how many struggles, how many difficulties, how many hardships he faced, and he did not give up, but he became very, very famous millionaire and a famous person in founder of Tata Consultants. And each and everything from small pin to each and every big machines also, there are Tata Industries, Tata things are there, products are there. That is the quality of the successful people. Even though he became rich, but he was helping all the people, needy, orphanages, so many things. Next person, and he is called Bill Gates, Microsoft, the founder of Microsoft. He also faced many problems, many struggles. Sometimes he sold his company, and he was also not much educated. He is not so great student, but just average student, dropout. But he found the Microsoft and became the world famous personality. He is none other than Bill Gates. So not only Bill Gates, Elon Musk, so many people are there. They failed and they succeeded. So in this lesson, we learnt how the failures will keep us in the right path, and how many people are there. These people, they failed many times and they succeeded. At last and final, I would like to conclude this lesson saying that suicide is not the final attempt. Suicide is not the final decision. There are a number of opportunities are there. We can learn from those people and we can do wonders if you practice or if you do hard work, if you have the commitment, if you have the dedication, if you have the determination, if you have the courage, if you have the consolidation, automatically we will get a success. So never ever try to commit suicide. These are number of people are there. Take inspiration from your parents, take inspiration from your teachers, and go forward. What did I learn from this lesson? I learned even though failures are there, I wanted to success. I wanted to reach my goal. I wanted to achieve my goal. Oh, many humiliations are there, no problem. Many rejections also, no problem. I want to achieve my goal. I want to achieve my goal. I should have the commitment towards my goal. No problem. If I fail also, I will try again and again. At last, you also, if you fail in first unit, try for second unit. If you fail in second unit, third unit, or like that, don't give up your goal, and don't give up simply, and don't give up in even small matters also. If you give up in small matters, it will bring you great failures. So I want to conclude this lesson. If you want success, double your failure rate. Every successful people has also great failures. Thank you.